Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our content. Today, we're diving into a skill that many find intimidating but is incredibly valuable in almost every aspect of life: public speaking. Yes, whether you're giving a presentation at work, speaking at an event, or simply wanting to become a more confident communicator, mastering the art of public speaking is essential. You may wonder, why is public speaking so important? Well, it's not just about standing on a stage and talking. Public speaking skills can help you in job interviews, networking events, and even in effectively communicating your ideas to friends and family. Plus, becoming a skilled public speaker can boost your confidence and open doors to new opportunities. One of the biggest barriers people face is the fear of public speaking, also known as glossophobia. Yes, the sweaty palms, the shaky voice, we've all been there. The key to overcoming this fear is preparation and practice. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel. And remember, it's completely normal to be nervous. Even seasoned speakers get jitters. A well-structured speech is easier to deliver and more enjoyable for your audience. Start with an engaging introduction that grabs attention. Then lay out the main points you'll be covering, delve into each one, and finally, conclude with a strong closing statement that leaves a lasting impression. Keep it simple, but impactful. Now, let's talk about the delivery. Your tone, pace, and body language play a crucial role in how your message is received. Here are some quick tips. Maintain eye contact. This helps to establish a connection with your audience. Use gestures, use your hands and facial expressions to emphasize points. Modulate your voice, a varied tone keeps the audience engaged. Pause, don't rush. Use pauses for emphasis and to give your audience time to digest the information. Practice makes perfect. Rehearse multiple times before the actual presentation. Record yourself, listen, and adjust. Also, don't shy away from seeking feedback. Whether it's a friend, family member, or colleague, constructive criticism can provide invaluable insights. So there you have it. Public speaking is an art, but it's also a skill, which means it can be learned and improved upon. Start small, practice regularly, and don't be too hard on yourself. Remember, even the most accomplished speakers were once where you are now. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you have any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to suggest those as well. Until next time, keep speaking, keep inspiring.